Hey YouTubers, Mike Bortz with the Mike Bortz channel. Thank you for watching. We just moved into a new house, and on property there was a garden that the previous owners didn't really upkeep. It kind of went to waste, and we are going to convert that garden into fresh green grass. There's a right way to do this. There's a wrong way to do this. Don't do it the wrong way. Let's go outside and get started.
All right, YouTubers, outside on the deck now, and there it is, right out there. That used to be a garden for the previous owner. However, we are going to lay some grass seed and make it fresh green grass to fit in with the rest of the yard. In front of us now are a couple tools. I've got a rake on the far left. I'm gonna use that rake to rake the dead grass on the surface of the garden. Next to that is a soil ripper, brand new from our local Lowe's. That is going to help dig up the ground to allow the seed to properly set in the ground and grow. And I've got a shovel in the event that I find any rocks or need to fix any holes. And as far as the grass seed, this is a one-step 2-in-1, meaning the mulch has the fertilizer already in it. And these bags are about $49 at your local Lowe's. It is a Pennington brand, and again, one step complete for sun and shaded areas. And right here, mixture of smart seed plus mulch plus fertilizer. Now you can get them in 2 separate bags for a little bit cheaper. However, in our opinion, spending the extra $5 to have them combined goes a long way. All right, YouTubers, we're on site, and as you can see, there is a little bit of grass growing out of the dead surface grass, and there are some weeds. So step number 1, I'm going to remove all these weeds and carefully get to the root. If you got a root tool that digs in there, awesome. In our case, we don't have one handy. We'll just pull carefully and put these in a bucket and dispose of them, and we'll continue that process. A lot of weeds, YouTubers. Next, I'll grab my rake, and I want to rake all this dead surface grass to the sides. All right, YouTubers, as you can see, a lot of dead surface grass. Basically the entire portion that needs to be addressed. And you can do this on a dry, sunny day. You may find the actual dead surface grass to be a lot lighter when you rake it. However, when it comes time to use that soil ripper to loosen up that dirt, I recommend doing it right after it rains so the ground is soft and friendly. The thing I like about this soil ripper is it's got a little tab right here. You push in, it's spring loaded, and any dirt that gathers inside that ripper, you just pop it right out. And you can tell the difference from the soil that the ripper has loosened compared to the solid ground that I just raked. YouTubers, I'm making good progress. Sun is starting to come out, and I've got a little patch to go. And you can rent a rototiller. I highly recommend it. However, due to the global pandemic of the coronavirus, I've been inside not getting much exercise. So today is my exercise day, doing this all by hand. In addition, I am finding rocks as I go. Got a bucket. Here's one here, and there's one there. All right, YouTubers, we are so close. Rain delay. Here comes the weather, and it's kind of good because it's going to loosen up the dirt and soil even more, which is great for the grass seed. I'm gonna go inside, get some water and a bite to eat. All done, YouTubers. And what I will do now is go grab the bag of grass seed. On the back of the bag of the grass seed, planting instructions. Follow these guidelines for lush, thick grass. Very important. Number 1, prepare, remove debris, then rake the soil to loosen and smooth the top layer. We already did that. Step 2, which where we're at now, apply. Spread seeding mix approximately 1 cup per square foot everywhere thick, beautiful grass is desired. And step 3, water. This is the most important step. Twice a day if you have to, until grass sprouts and reaches about 3 inches tall. The mulch turns a lighter color when it's dry, indicating that it's time to water again. Pretty neat technology. And right now, it is raining, and it is a very friendly temperature with a nice friendly breeze, and I'm not breaking a sweat out there, which is nice. The sun is not beating down on me. Back on site, and I've got the grass seed bag open. That's what it looks like. And whatever you use to spread it is up to you. All I'm using is a pitcher, nothing fancy. First pitcher is full, and if you're wondering, one bag covers approximately 400 to 500 square feet. And this is about 500 square feet. Go ahead and spread it all over the place. And after we spread it, we will rake it. And by raking it, it's going to allow this grass seed to fall in even further into that soil. Again, don't be cheap with it. Cover the entire ground with grass seed. Here we go, bag two. What I'll do next is rake the entire surface behind me and spread that grass seed and allow it to get even further deeper into the soil. Making progress, and one of the benefits of raking it up and over the sides onto actual good grass is you get to blend it a little bit. So as I raked, some of the grass seed was shifted from the garden or dead portion into the nice green grass, and that will allow it to fade as it grows to make it look a lot better. The second thing is all of this dead grass that we've been raking away from this area. Some people will actually put this dead grass back on top of the grass seed. So you do have that option. However, this stuff is old, wet, and nasty, so I'm not actually going to put this on the grass. Check that out, YouTubers. The seaplane is going into land. From here, we just wait and make sure you water it. As far as the bags, I use them to fill with the remaining dead grass as well as all the weeds. It's been 5 days, YouTubers, and coming up a little spotty, but that is normal. If it does that, do not stress out, do not worry. It's all gonna come together. All right, I'm going to be real with you. After about 2 weeks, didn't look real good, but after a month, it looks really good. Let's go take a look. Out in the yard now, and it's filling in pretty good and bright green, as you can see. We have not mowed it, but we will be mowing it. As you just saw, it experienced its very first mow, and that little corner right there is still a little spotty, but that will get better as the weeks go on. Greenest grass on the entire property. Why? Because it literally has not rained in almost a month. However, I've watered that every single day, and I am very, very pleased with how it turned out. Hopefully this helps you, DIYers. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.